Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1969th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening. It's Sunday evening, traders. Get ready for the markets. They're never easy, so let's take a look at what's going on out there. Please know that trading of futures of stocks of just about any vehicle is extremely risky. This is a very risky business. Please know that you can lose way more than you had planned. Trading is risky. Trading options is risky. Trading if you don't play stops is risky. If you do play stops and you know what you're doing and you know how to read a chart, then I'm here to tell you that you should follow me on what's going to happen next, but just know that there is lots of risk behind this game. Don't let anybody fool you. Traders, last week I showed you a video, and in that video I titled it Channels. I am titling this video Channels as well. What am I talking about? Well, let's get going. Remember, channels is the theme here. This is the Russell 2000. We've got a red Omni posted. My Omni is saying to sell the rallies for trading Sunday through Monday, July 22nd, 2019. Remember, we are day traders. This is for day trading. So Russell 2000 has a red Omni. And remember, I showed you these channels on the way up and said they work fantastic until they don't. Well, we've had a channel breach for 3 days now. So we are outside of the channel. And we've got a red Omni for trading on 7/22. So I am here to tell you we are absolutely going to be selling the rallies in the Russell 2000 or S&P if we can. Traders, if you like the analysis I choose to share with you in these videos each evening, please like them, share them, and subscribe on YouTube so you will be notified when I put out a new video each evening. Make sure you click the notification button if you subscribe on YouTube. Please like these videos, share them across the internet, help me reach other people. But back to the analysis. Red Omni, trading 7/22. We fell out of the channel, and we have a red Omni. Good enough reason for me, simplistically, to tell you we're going to be selling the rallies. Of course, analysis is much more difficult than what I'm putting before your eyes. I'd be more than happy to teach that to you at one of my Omni camps. We'll talk about Omni Camp in my next video. So that's the Russell, and those are the channels. At least the channel. Let's go take a look at the Nasdaq now. Nasdaq, very nice channel. Broke out of that too. So we've got a red Omni. Nasdaq breached its channel. This is what's happening right now on Sunday evening. Let's erase it. This was Friday's close. A channel breach. We're used to channel hold. Gets close and holds. Starts the channel here. Nice hold here at the top. Only one slight breach for a brief part of the day and back into the channel. Next day in the channel. So we stay in the channel top and bottom. We are under it for a full session almost on Friday. And we're under it for Sunday evening's session, which is happening right now. So we've breached the channel, and again, we have a red Omni, but take a look at what this is right here. I'm going to come back down, pull the chart in a little bit for you. This was the former double top. Remember, we had the top. It came smashing down, rallied back up, put in a double top. Then we finally got above it. Well, what we've done was we've breached that double top even. That double top comes across this red dotted line, dashed line. We have gotten below that now, so interesting. Then you've got your E-mini S&P. Once again, channels, 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 just like this channel here. Let's go look at your E-mini. And that breached its channel. Look, breach Thursday, breach Friday. Here we are Sunday evening. And there's a difference between the E-mini S&P and the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq got back down to its double top and then breached it, right? The line through the double top looked like this on the Nasdaq. Well, let's take a look at what we're looking at as far as double tops are concerned with E-mini S&P. Remember that double top that started here? We dropped all the way down, rallied back out, put the second top in right here, and we dropped again. Well, that's basically what started our channel. Then we got into this wonderful channel, and we held and just maintained and held and held. Well, now we've breached that channel, and we're testing at this moment in time what was the double top, which is indicated by this line, which I'll make thicker for you right now. So the S&P is testing that double top, but Nasdaq showed us this look when it got back down to testing that double top. So let's see what we're going to get. Our indices are red for trading on 722. There's something else I wanted to show you here, though, traders. We're not done yet. One more chart. Let me bring this one before your eyes. This is silver. Daily bar. I've got a red Omni for the first time in 5 or 6 days, but the Omni has gone red. I've done my analysis, and I am here to tell you this. I am an avid reader of financial newspapers on the weekends. Most financial newspapers this weekend said to buy metals. Fund managers, including, and he's my hero, the infamous Ray Dalio, recommended buying metals. Omni, after doing my homework, says to sell short silver or gold on rallies for trading on Monday, and I'll tell you right now, Omni says sell rallies. I am going with the Omni. I don't care what anyone on this planet says. If you can't show it to me Omni style, I'll take the Omni over anyone's word. Love you to death, Ray, swear to God, but I'm going with my Omni. Red Omni in silver. I will sell the rallies in silver if I get the opportunity. I will let you know about that. And one more thing when it comes to double tops. See this red line right here? Well, this represents a couple of times now testing the top. You had one here. You had the same exact high right back here. So it tested it, failed miserably. We came right back up, took out some stops above it, and Omni goes red. Well, I'm going to take that as a sell signal. I don't care what the street says. Traders, come on down to livewithoscar.com. Allow me to teach you my brand of technical analysis. I am the best that there is. I don't care what anyone else out there tells you. No one has ever gotten this good at technical analysis. I am the Michael Jordan of reading charts. If you'd like to learn with me, come on down to livewithoscar.com and hang out with me in my free live trading room. If you're trading on your own and you don't know what you're doing, let me give you a small piece of advice. Keep your emotions at bay. Stay away from being emotional. Do not make spur-of-the-moment decisions. Remember to keep your emotions out of trading and say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening. And you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, I will see you all in my live trading room at livewithoscar.com.